Jefferson County Court Law number 2 is now in session. The court is in session. 3 dockets on today's date of March 23rd of 2026. We have our announcement docket, pretrial conference docket, our jury trial docket. When I call your name, please come forward with your attorney. If your attorney is not here, we'll wait for your attorney to arrive because your attorney may be in another court handling another matter. If you are representing yourself or if you are not represented by an attorney, then when I call your name, please come up before the bench by yourself. First case is cause number 24-CCCR 2172. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Christopher Jacoby Pickens. This is on the announcement docket, page 7. Mr. Pickens, your full name is Christopher Jacoby Pickens?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Pickens?
Yeah,
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Pickens, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Nathan Reynolds. Mr. Reynolds, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome. And state is represented in this case by Attorney Andrew Hubel. Attorney Hubel, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge. Thank you.
And Mr. Reynolds, what's your announcement in Mr. Pickens' case?
Judge, on the prior announcements, this case has been reset due to a pending felony. The felony cases have now been dismissed.
The state would ask for time to talk with the felony prosecutor regarding that matter and make a decision on this case.
Okay, well, we're gonna hold.
No, you want to hold? You want to do that today or just reset it?
I mean, if we could take care of it today.
I'll see what Philip has to say on it, Your Honor.
Huh?
I'll see what Philip has to say on it, Your Honor.
Okay,
He's on it. So we'll just hold today.
yes,
Okay, we'll stay here.
okay. Larry Gene Johnson Jr., Mr. Reynolds? We're gonna hold on him. Okay, Mrs. Johnson, you can have a seat. We'll call you back up in a little bit. Michael James Marshall.
Your Honor, we're gonna hold that announcement.
You want to hold?
Gonna come.
Okay.
On the other, I'll make the announcement, Judge.
Hmm?
On the others, I'll make the announcement.
You will, okay. William Kenneth Pulse. Okay, this is cause number 23-CCCR 1054. Case is styled the state of Texas versus William Kenneth Pulse. Mr. Pulse, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Pulse?
I'm good. And yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Pulse, you're represented in your case by your attorney Dusty Galmore. Attorney Galmore is not here. Standing in for Attorney Galmore is Attorney Haley Simmons. Does Ms. Simmons have your permission to stand in for Mr. Galmore?
Yes.
Okay. And Ms. Simmons, how are you doing?
Great, Judge, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Ms. Simmons, what is your announcement? Well, this case is set on the trial docket. What's your announcement?
Correct, Your Honor, we're announcing ready.
State.
Your Honor, Mr. Williams has a vacation letter, and as you're aware of, this is Mrs. Nixon's case, but as you know, she's still being trained, and filers have not been sent on this case.
Man, I don't know about that. This case is pretty old.
And all you can do is request more time and defer to the court's decision on that.
Well, I'm gonna give it a number.
We can announce ready, Your Honor. I understand.
Yeah,
The state's not, but if we could just have time to negotiate as well.
okay,
We'll
we'll
still
do
be
that.
back at 30 as well.
Okay,
Right.
yeah. All right, so, you want him to come back at 1:30 or
You
you,
can come back.
okay, you can come back at 1:30. Yes, set for trial. Okay. Next, let's see, we have, uh, Stanford Broussard. This is, this case. Mr. Broussard, your full name is Stanford Broussard? How are you doing, Mr. Broussard? That's good. Now, Mr. Broussard, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Ryan Gertz. Mr. Gertz, how are you doing?
Great, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking.
Good.
Now, Mr. Gertz, this case is set on a trial docket. And I think I'm looking at the docket, it says Cornelius Williams is the prosecutor. And Mr. Williams is out this week. Is that correct, State?
That's correct, Your Honor.
But Judge, I'm gonna have the same announcement for all of my cases this morning. So I have a vacation letter in that covers Wednesday through Friday of this week because of the Mastering Scientific Evidence Conference.
Look like, Cornelius is on all your three, on these,
On all the
on your
cases.
trial
Okay,
cases.
okay. Well, then that,
Agreed.
I'm gonna let the state move for a continuance then.
Okay. And State, okay. And State, you actually will continue, is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay, no objections. Okay, now, and that's the same thing on, okay. Mr. Broussard, you're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. Daniel Wallace. And, Mr. Wallace, how are you doing?
I'm doing well with yourself.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Wallace, your case is set on the trial docket. The prosecutor on this case is Attorney Cornelius Williams. And Mr. Williams is out this week. And so the state is moving for a motion for continuance. Is that correct, State?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay,
We have no objection.
no objections, okay. And these motions will be granted in your two cases. You'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you. Have a great week.
Much, thank you. Is that,
I think that's all I had, Judge. I hope. If I'm wrong, then I'm announcing not ready.
oh, yeah, you got, but it's not, you have something on the
I've been
announcement.
announced. Okay.
Okay, Dante Spencer. He has three cases. How you doing, Mr. Spencer? That's good. I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Spencer, you're representing your cases by your attorney, Attorney Ryan Gertz, Mr. Gertz, Mr. Spencer cases are on the announcement docket. What's your announcement?
Yeah, Judge, I think we were trying to resolve, he's got a pending felony or two that he's got court at 11. I think.
Oh, I see. Yeah, it is a pending.
And so we're gonna go over there next, and resolve, I don't know if we'll resolve them, but we're gonna go over there and deal with those.
Okay, and so once y'all finish with those felonies, y'all come back over here and let us know.
Well, and I think we're on the trial docket over there, Judge, and so just
Oh.
candid with the court, we're not gonna be able to go to trial because of my conflict later this
Oh,
week.
Oh,
So
okay.
it's just, I'd ask the court for a resetting on these.
Okay, now we'll do is we'll reset these cases with your felony case. Now, your felony case has not been reset, so our court coordinator is gonna have to check the computer. And then when there's a date set for your felony case, then we'll reset these cases, send notice to your attorney and your bondsman. So stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yeah, go. Give me a few minutes.
Good morning.
Now I think that's all I have.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Appreciate you. Okay. Thank you.
It's recently taken, which one is that?
Calvin Dwayne Tyler Jr. Morning. Mr. Tyler, your full name is Calvin Dwayne Tyler Jr.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Tyler?
Good, what about yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Tyler, Mr. West is standing before you. I think the last time he appeared, he was to file a motion, a letter of rep. And
Oh,
we have,
yeah, I talked to your staff earlier. I thought it had been filed and taken care of, but apparently it didn't go
Yeah.
through, so, but I'm still here, Your Honor.
okay. So, this case is on the trial docket. It's a relatively new case and mine on that, but Denise Williams is the, prosecutor and he's out this week.
I heard that, Your Honor, earlier.
Okay, so these cases will be reset, give your attorney opportunity to file his letter of rep. And once he does that, I think you'll be able to get the access to the discovery in this case. Okay,
Yes, sir. Thank you.
okay, you're gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Reset to April 27th.
Thank you, see you. Good job.
Wish. Wish you about it.
Which docket?
She's not here.
Once again.
Not for sure.
Okay, probably be called.
And he's still here.
Oh,
Okay. We'll work at the discussion on having other things on.
David LeBlanc. How you doing, Mr. LeBlanc? That's good. Full name is David LeBlanc?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. LeBlanc, you represented in your case by your attorney, Martha Provo. Ms. Provo, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, Your Honor.
And Ms. Provo, what's your announcement in Mr. LeBlanc's case?
We're actually, returning on the announcement document. Until I get all of this, disclosure.
Okay, give us a reset date.
April 27th.
This case is reset to April 27th, 2026. You're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that chair on the wall. Jason Monroe Murchison. Why is this case? Good morning, Mr. Murchison. And Mr. Murchison, your full name is Jason Monroe Murchison. And Mr. Murchison, you're representing your case by your attorney, Marvel Provo. Ms. Provo, what's your announcement in Mr. Murchison's case?
Your Honor, we'd like to place this on the trial docket.
Okay, we're gonna reset this for trial. Give us a reset date.
April 27th.
Okay, this case is reset to April 27th, 2026 for trial. Mr. Murchison, you'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that chair on the wall. Okay. Let's see, we have any people.
I have Amber Fulton.
Amber Poe,
Birthday.
please come forward. Hey, good morning. Ms. Poe, your full name is Amber Michelle Poe.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Poe, well, first of all, Ms. Poe, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Poe, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Marva Provo. Ms. Provo, what is your announcement in Ms. Poe's case?
I would like to retain it from the announcement document, however, Ms. Pope has a new case.
Well, she has a,
Yes.
yeah,
A case in 3, Judge.
Yeah.
okay,
It's been moved.
okay, so it's been moved over here. I see a new case, so she has a warrant out on that
Yeah.
one. So, if they're not being moved today, then she have a seat in the, jury box and they'll transport over to the jail.
So, when will I go to court on it, do you know, do I have to like bond out or do I? have to-
Yes, you'd have to bond out.
Okay, all right, and then.
Yeah. Give us all the deal from the case.
Well, give us a reset date on that.
April 27th.
It's gonna be April 27th. Okay, you can follow the bill. Okay.
I can do.
Yeah, Kiara Marquita Hightower. Didn't show up. You need some time to try to,
Yeah, I'm fine, no,
okay, we'll hold. Okay,
yes, you know.
that's the last one we hold, okay.
I have Mr. Wood.
On, what docket is,
He's on the now.
yes? Okay, Ivan Woods. Mr. Woods, your full name is Ivan Woods? How are you, Mr. Woods? That's good, Mr. Woods. Are you representing the case by your attorney, Marva Provo? Well, in your cases, you have 2 cases. And Ms. Provo, what are your announcements in Mr. Woods' cases?
We would like to keep this on the announcement document, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Woods, give us a reset. Mr. Woods. Okay, Mr. Woods, your cases will be reset to April 27th, 2026 on the announcement docket. Mr. Woods, you're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. Please have a seat in the chair on the wall. And we'll hold on your other case.
Yeah. Not be excused.
Yes, you may.
John, may I approach?
Yes,
I have 3 clients on Zoom.
Yeah.
okay,
I apologize for my tardiness. I had a hearing in 252nd. I just completed. So, I can hear me. Good morning, Andrew. Morning, Mr. Huber.
okay. First case is clause number 25 CCCR 2898. Case is style the state of Texas versus Travis A. Gregg. Mr. Gregg is on Zoom.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Gregg?
Good.
That's good. Now, Mr. Gregg, you represented in your case by your attorney, James Paget. And again, Mr. Paget, how are you doing?
Doing well. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Mr. Paget, what's your announcement in Mr. Gregg's case?
Your Honor, I've been, this is Ms. Nixon's case, and I've been speaking with her about it. She is going to contact the complaining witness. And at that point, we will know how we're going to proceed forward with the case. I've given her all my contact information. As soon as she tells me how to proceed, we'll take care of it, and we should be able to come to a dispose of this case one way or the other. So we'll ask that Mr. Gregg appear in person on the next setting, and we should be able to.
Okay, Ms. Nixon, how are you doing?
I'm sorry, I'm honored. How you doing?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Ms. Nixon, you do not have any objections to this reset? Okay, give us. What is gonna be reset to when?
April 29th is perfect, Your Honor. I was just looking at my
Okay.
schedule because I knew
Okay,
in April, I want to make sure I could put my full attention on the case.
okay. So this case will be reset to April 29th, 2026. Mr. Gregg, Your attorney, your bondsman will give a notice of your reset. Stay in contact with your attorney, your bondsman. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
And did we
Thank you.
notify him to be in person?
Now, Mr. Grant,
Yes,
you
sir.
you need to be here in court in person on that day, April 29th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Sir, see you then.
All right.
And I'll call you, Mr. Bragg.
All right, sounds good.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
Tawana R. Leger, cause number 25 CCCR 1720. Ms. Leger is appearing via Zoom. I muted Ms. Leger earlier. I can't take her off of mute.
I apologize.
Now, Ms. Leger is represented in this case by Attorney James Paget. And Mr. Paget, what is your announcement in Ms. Leger's case?
Your Honor, I have not completed discovery. This is one of the cases Mr. Faggard was on, so I had to file a motion to substitute, and it put me off a few days. I assure you, if you'll just give us 30 days, I'll complete discovery, and I'll be able to evaluate the case and make an announcement.
Okay, this is, give us a reset date. We're gonna be on that same day, April 29th.
Thank you.
Now you need her in person.
Well, I'm not sure right now. If we could just leave
Okay.
it like this, I'll let the
Okay.
court know.
Okay, now, Ms. Leger, your case has been reset to April 29th at 9 a.m. Your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice of your reset date. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day. DeMarcus Jaquan Mouton, he's also appearing via Zoom.
Correct, Your Honor.
Mr. Mouton, you can take your mic off of mute.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Mouton.
Good morning. How you doing?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Mouton, you're represented by your attorney, James Paget, who is present in court. Mr. Paget, what is your announcement in Mr. Mouton's case?
Your Honor, we're still waiting to receive the video and then review it. And I'm gonna walk upstairs after court and check on the status on that.
Okay.
It
Now,
might be up there. I'll get up.
okay. Now, Mr. Mouton, your case will be reset till April 29th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. They will be given notice of your reset days. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. You as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And Mr. Paget, I think that's the last case.
Yes, Your Honor. May I be?
Yes, you're free to go, and you have a blessed
Thank you.
day.
You have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Lee. Thank you. I've been,
I'm missing
so much. I think we need to do the spending for it. Now, I don't know what people do.
Hold on. Okay. Oh, I had to move the air source. I'll get her space. Okay. I'm afraid.
Calvin Dwayne Tyler Jr. That was already reset. Okay. That's the one with West. That was already, he had two cases. Yeah.
Larry Johnson.
Johnson. Okay, Larry Jean Johnson. Mr. Johnson, you come forward. Mr. Johnson, your full name is Larry Jean Johnson Jr.?
Yes.
How are you doing, Mr. Johnson?
Right about yourself.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Johnson. You're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Nathan Reynolds. And Mr. Reynolds, What is your announcement in Mr. Johnson's case?
Judge, Mr. Johnson was on felony probation. He picked up this new case. The MTRP is set for April 14th. I think he may have hired Mr. Kimler on this misdemeanor case also. But
Oh, well, okay, well, if he has,
I believe
he hadn't sent a motion to sub in.
oh, there he is.
He is.
Did he hire you? This is Larry Johnson. Are you gonna do his misdemeanor also? Or okay.
Yeah, you would have to file a letter, you would have to do a motion to sub.
If you're giving a minute, I'll check.
Well, they're just gonna reset it with the felony, I guess.
Now, when is the felony reset to, you said?
April 14th.
April 14th? Okay, so this case will be reset with the felony case, April 14th, 2026. Mr. Johnson, you can get your reset, and Mr. Reynolds, you can get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day.
Okay, thank you too.
Okay. Is that Michelin Skinner?
Yes, Your Honor, he's president. And Judge, I need to, he just pled, got deferred on a felony.
So you need the time to talk to the prosecutor?
Just the second talk to the
Okay.
prosecutor, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Skinner, you can have a seat and give your attorney up to talk to the prosecutor.
It's found that I'm going to defer, but he says that this is the lead is the prosecutor. And so he did not.
Your Honor, Mr. Pickens' case, I've spoken to the felony prosecutor, the state's gonna move for dismissal as soon as I can submit that.
Okay, thanks.
Okay.
Skinner, Pickens. Pickens.
Just have one case, like the else one fire marshal, Your Honor, because I want to announce it.
There's an up and down.
Just reset.
Marshall,
No, Mr. Gilmore's gonna come down and make the announcement on Michael Marshall, but Eric Casal should be on the announcement docket, Judge.
okay. Yeah, Eric Lee Casal, Casal, or Casal, you say Casal? Your full name is Eric Lee Casal? Mr. Casal, how are you doing?
Good, all right.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Casal, you're represented in your case by your attorney Dustin Galmore. Attorney Galmore is not here. However, standing in for Attorney Galmore is Attorney Haley Simmons. Does Ms. Simmons have your permission to stand in for Attorney Galmore?
Yes.
Okay, and Ms. Simmons, what is your announcement in Mr. Casal's case?
Yes, Judge, Mr. Gilmore's still working through the discovery on this one, and we'd ask for a brief reset to give time for him to come and review it as well.
Give us a reset date.
For 27.
This case is reset for April 27th. Mr. Casal, you could get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. And Ms. Simmons, you're free to go as well.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. Okay, Lariel Damon Rougeau, Mr. Kimler. DWI. And Mr. Rougeau, how are you doing?
Good, how you doing?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Russo, you're represented by your attorney, Ryan Kimler. Mr. Kimler, how are you doing?
Well, thank you, Your Honor.
And Mr. Kimler, what is your announcement in Mr. Russo's case on the trial docket?
Ready?
State?
State would have the same announcement it made previously in, Mr. Paul's case, Your Honor.
What's the announcement?
The announcement is that, Mr. Williams has a vacation letter and now.
No, this is not Mr. Williams.
Yeah,
This
it
is Nixon's case. This is Ms.
Yes, Your
Nixon's
Honor.
case.
And the reason why I would be asking for more time is that, trailers have not been sent in this case yet.
What?
Trailers have not been sent out in this case yet, and, yeah, so.
When you say trial, I don't know why you send those trial letters out. You know it's on the trial docket. So we're gonna see you back at 1:30.
I'll be back in 1:30.
Okay? Okay, next case is Alexandra Denise Weibel. This is one of Cornelius Williams' case. It's not available. I got here, this application. Now, Ms. Weibel, your full name is Alexandra Denise Weibel. How are you doing? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. You're representing your case by your attorney, Ryan Kimler. Mr. Kimler, how are you doing?
Well, thank you, Your Honor.
That's good. And Mr. Kimler, Ms. State Assistant Criminal District Attorney is Cornelius Williams. He's assigned, he's out this week.
We're ready.
Okay, but I don't think the state, they don't have a prosecutor. This is not
No, that's correct, Your Honor.
one of the prosecutor's cases. So we're gonna have to reset it. This case is only
Trial.
yes, on the yes at 256. It's not even a year old. Okay. So we're gonna reset it.
What would the date be, Your Honor?
What date?
Yeah, the date, what would the recent date
April
be?
27th.
Next month, April 27th.
April 27th. We'll be back April 27th. No, I need your file again. I got the all 30. All right,
Oh, okay.
I get in touch.
You get your reset, you're free to go.
You can go.
Yes.
You can-
Now this one is different.
I think those are the only two I have.
No, he hasn't.
Oh, that's it. Oh, sure is.
You want me to go back?
That's a little unusual.
I'm trying to decide harder, you know. So you want Mr. Rizzo back?
Yeah, I mean, you gotta try, yeah, I mean, these cases, I mean, we got a trial document, we got a jury coming in.
Okay.
Yeah. I like, they didn't know we had a trial docket. Okay. Next. The state is informing that they dismissing Pickens.
That's true,
Yeah,
That's what they just told, that's what he just told me.
I continue the email that's on something on.
Yeah, well, he hadn't did the dismissal yet. He's gonna do the, you can talk to Andrew about it. That's what he told me. Oh, he's on announcement docket. Should be like second to the last page. Is it on the third page? Reynolds. He's on the last page. They've already reset, Marino. Okay, Jennifer Lynn Marino, her attorney, had some flight issues. That's what I was informed. Yeah, Miss Marino, your full name is Jennifer Lynn Marino? How are you doing, Miss Marino?
I'm doing good. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Ms. Marino, your attorney called in earlier to the court. He had issues with his flight, so he will not be here today, and so your case has to be reset. Okay. You can get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. You're welcome. Broussard was already reset, right? That was Bruce Smith's client. Mr. Adams is that, Mr. Leonard. Jansen, Bailey, Burbank, yeah, I'll move on. Holding on Marshall. Should. Birch. Birch. Okay, Mr. Kimler, Jarrett, Jamal Williams on the announcement docket. How you doing, Mr. Williams?
How's it going, sir?
It's going fine now, Mr. Williams. You're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Wright Kimler. Mr. Kimler, what is your announcement in Mr. Williams' case? Reset it for trial. Give us a reset date.
April 27th.
Okay, this case will be reset to April 27th for trial. Mr. Williams, you get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go.
Thanks.
Stay in contact with your attorney, your bonds, and then you are. Long. Oh. Oh, Mr. Rennick, we still working on Mr. Rennick's case?
Yes, Judge, she ran it down to the felony for sticking fender.
Okay.
You're trying to call him. Okay, perfect.
William Wilkerson.
Yeah, check. She trying to call. She's not really know something.
Mr. Gilthorpe.
You watched the video with me.
Yeah.
Mr. Mosby. Did, okay, this is cause number 25CCCR 0488. Case of style of state of Texas versus Kendall Falk. And Mr. Falk, is that your full name?
Yes.
How are you doing, Mr. Falk? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Falk, in this case, you a pro se? You represent yourself?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this case is on the trial docket. State, well, Mr. Falk, what's your announcement? Are you ready for trial?
Not at all.
So he's not ready. Okay. And this is one of Mr. Cornelius Williams's case, is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor. And have you been by the office to receive discovery yet?
Yes.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure of that before anything else.
Okay.
But if defendant's making a motion for continuing state's not going to object.
Okay. We need to make a note in the computer that he's pro se. Okay, Mr. Falk, your case will be reset. We're gonna keep it on the trial docket. I see that you have a felony case set
I'm just not doing.
Yes, sir.
on the 31st. Okay, give us a reset date on Mr. Kendall Falk's page 3 of the.
April 27th.
Okay, this case will be reset for trial April 27th, 2026. Okay, so case is set for trial on that day. All right, you're gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. Is that correct?
Yes,
Ms.
sir.
Mosley? Okay, and you have a blessed day.
That's April with you.
No, may I have a picture of the Skinner?
Okay, let's see which one.
Then I can come back and interrupted you.
You need this one.
Michelin Skinner.
He's present.
No, it's a deal on the building.
Mr. Skinner, am I pronouncing your first name correctly?
You need to call Mike Taylor.
Mike Kaler, okay. Now, Mr. Skinner, how are you doing? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Mr. Skinner, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Scott Rennick. And Mr. Rennick, how are you doing?
I'm good, Judge. How are you, sir?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And what's your announcement in Mr. Skinner's case?
Mr. Skinner just pled on a felony a few minutes ago, and the misdemeanor that's attached to it in the form of the state is going to be dismissed.
To be dismissed? Okay,
And I know that the prosecutor is completing the paperwork. And I just want to let the court know that, because I have to be in another court.
okay. Now, Mr. Skinner, your case is going to be dismissed by the state. As soon as I get the dismissal, I'll sign the dismissal. You'll be able to get a copy of the dismissal, and then you'll be free to go. Now, Mr. Skinner, I see that you're here with some people. Who are you here with? Your mother and her 3 sisters. Okay. Oh, that's the mom back there? Okay. Thanks for coming down here with your son and your nephew. Now, Mr. Skinner, the attorney has informed me that you had a felony case that was resolved. And this case is also going to be resolved through a dismissal. Now, Mr. Skinner, how old are you?
I'm 20.
20?
Yes, sir.
You wouldn't believe this. You know what? I was 20 for 365 days. I know that's hard to believe, but that's true. And I know, young people like yourself, you have friends. I think today y'all call them your BFF or your ride or die. In my day, we used to call them our ace boom coon. Okay. Those was people who would we figure they'll be here with us through thick and thin. When we're down and out, they'll be there to pick us up. But on days like today, your BFF and your H-Boone Coon is not, and your ride or die is not here. You know why? Because they had something better to do than to be down here with you. But there are some people who are here with you. You know, you have your mother, your 3 aunts, they're here with you. And there was nothing in this world that can keep them from being here with you. Okay. And you know why they're here? Because they love you. You're right. You got that right. Now I know that lady in the back that you call mama, she was the one that put a roof over your head, clothes on your back, food on the table, and every now and then she probably had to put a little spanking on your butt. And she did all of those things because she loved you. And so before the day is out, you need to give that woman that you call mom a big hug and a kiss, and you need to give those other 3 women that you call aunt or auntie or Titi, depending on where you're from, you need to give them a big hug and a kiss for being out here with you. And I tell young people this, everybody's not your friend, everybody's not your partner. But when that lady you say mama, you call mama, and those ladies that you call auntie say they got you, they got you. And so, you know, this is not the proudest day in their life, seeing you here before a judge. And, you know, you might think that, oh, you know, I'm in a storm, my life is over. But let me tell you this here. When you're walking through a storm, hold your head high. Don't be afraid of the dark. At the end of the storm, there's a golden sky and a sweet silver song of a Lord. Walk on through the wind, walk on through the rain, though your dreams be tossed and blown. Walk on with hope in your heart, and you'll never walk alone. There's one thing about hope, hope floats. So when you're drowning in the sea of confusion, hold on to hope, because it'll float, it'll keep your head above water. You know, some people might look at this as a stumbling block, but you could look at it as a stepping stone, and people use stepping stones to reach higher heights. The only thing I'm trying to tell you is that whatever you want to accomplish in life, you still can accomplish those things. Yeah. But it's up to you to put in the work. Okay? And so you can do it. And when you accomplish those things, you're going to put a big smile on that lady face that you call mama, and a big smile on those women that you call your aunt. Okay? So I have your dismissal. I'm signing the dismissal right now. You'll be able to get a copy of this dismissal. Once you get a copy of this dismissal, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. And to the mom and aunt, I need to tell you this here. Hang on to him, don't hang up. All right. All right. And y'all have a blessed day. You're welcome. Okay. You can get your reset. I just signed the dismissal. You're welcome, and y'all free to go. Have a blessed day.
Judge, I'm doing this alone. I'm not gonna see him again. We're not gonna see him again.
That's good. Who else we have a Pickens? Yes.
I was gonna ask on this case for this afternoon, if there was an order.
Do what?
If there was an order on the.
Yeah.
case for this
Hold
afternoon.
on.
Oh, she got it from.
I just don't need the copy.
Also, okay, she got it with the judge to see it.
Then I will.
Which one? I just signed Skinner.
Here, wait, on the back. Push down. Now try that.
Hey, Mr. Pickens, I'm signing your dismissal. Now, Mr. Pickens, you are you related to Coach Pickens? That's your dad. Now, Coach Pickens helped a lot of folks at LL Melton YMCA, coaching a lot of teams. I saw one of his former players yesterday, Kendrick Perkins. Okay, Kendrick Perkins went to the NBA. Okay, Kendrick Perkins probably wouldn't have got to the NBA had it not been for your dad. Okay, because your dad sacrificed a lot of time, put in a lot of effort by helping young men who did not have father figures in their life. Okay, so your dad is a great man. You know, he's one of, I guess, Beaumont's unsung heroes. They haven't given him his just due. Okay, and the reason why I'm saying that because I coach little league teams against him. So I know the competitor he was, and I know the time and effort that he put in bringing young men out of town for games and things of that nature. So just tell your dad I said hi.
I will. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Your attorney did a great job for you. You need to thank your attorney for the work that he has put in. And you have a blessed day.
Hey, thank you.
You're welcome.
You too, Miss.
All right, you have a blessed day as well.
All right, thank you, Judge.
All right. Jessica Wright? Who is that? Miss Wright. Well, how you doing, Miss Wright? I'm doing fine now, Miss Wright. I was just informed that your attorney, Tom Burbank, is currently in a murder trial. So your case has to be reset. You're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Okay. Jansen Bailey's, he's sick.
Felony, we have to reset to March 30th.
Who?
Cherokee, the names.
Okay, Miss Wolf, Miss Provo,
Yes, ma'am.
um, Kiara Hightower, you tried to get in contact with
Yes,
her?
ma'am. I have talked to her boss and they have tried to get in contact, all the numbers that I have and not work. So therefore I tried all the necessary.
Okay, let me do this here. This is cause number 25 CCCR 1502. Case of Styles of State of Texas versus Kiara Marquita Hightower. Miss Hightower was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At about 9 a.m., the court's merely called the name of Kiara Hightower at the courthouse door. Kiara Hightower did not answer. She has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 10:19 a.m. on today's date. Ms. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Kiara Hightower at the courthouse door?
Kiara Hightower, Kiara Hightower.
Okay, Kiara Hightower's name was just called again at the courthouse door. Kiara Hightower did not answer. Reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Hightower an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Same as for Bob Wolfman.
And that motion will be granted. Kiara Hightower's bond will be forfeited and warrant shall be issued for her arrest. And cause number 25 CCCR 1502. And Ms. Provo, you're free to go. You have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Judge, Mr. Rice's case is gonna be reset to June 20th.
Who?
She, yes, she's governing.
That's Burbank.
One of them have the same offer.
You say what date it will be reset to?
June 22nd.
June 22nd.
So misdemeanor, one of the felony have the same offense date.
Okay. Okay. And we have Omar Young, who is
Mr. Wilkerson.
Wilkerson's case. So Mr. Wilkerson has two clients.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, the court being recessed. Now, Mr. This is cause number 25 CCCR 1474, case of South State of Texas versus Mary Nicole Bellard. Mr. Bellard, Miss Bellard, is that your full name?
Yes, Your Honor.
How are you doing, Miss Bellard?
Good, and yourself, sir?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Ms. Bellard. You're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Marcus Wilkerson. Mr. Wilkerson, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Judge. Thank you for asking.
You're welcome. And Mr. Wilkerson, this case on the court's announcement document. What's your announcement?
Your Honor, so apparently there is another case coming down the pipe in drug court. I believe, my understanding is that case does not have a date set as of yet, but one is in the process of being set. It arises out of this same transaction, so we're gonna have to reset this case to run with that case.
So it's unfiled.
At this point, Judge.
Give us a reset date.
April 29th.
This case will be reset to April 29th, 2026. Give a state opportunity to file their felony so we can get these cases taken care of at the same time. Now, Ms. Bellard, you get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. And you have a blessed day. Oh, thank you.
Yes.
Omar Young Senior. Okay. Mr. Young, your full name is Omar Young Senior. How are you doing, Mr. Young? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Young. You're representing your case by your attorney, Attorney Marcus Wilson. And Mr. Wilson, what's your announcement?
Judge, Mr. Young does still want to proceed to trial. We are ready for trial.
Say, okay. Well, this will be the number one case. So we'll see y'all at 1:30.
At 1:30 today?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. Okay. So Langston is in the 252nd District Court? Okay, so that's the court will be in recess. Oh. Mr. Manuel Sanchez Oliva? Manuel Sanchez Oliva? Does he have his mic?
April 29th.
I don't think his mic is on.
So, you understand me, number one?
Hold on a minute. Let me see. No, he can't hear nothing I'm saying. Let me do this here. He's trying to connect. He's still not connected. He doesn't know how to connect to audio. He don't know how to connect to audio. He's trying to connect. He's trying to connect, but I'll try it again. What he probably needs to do is turn this thing off. Turn this video off. Yeah, I know how to do it. Okay. Let me do this here. Is there any way we can
You.
Yeah, Ms. Kano, we was trying to, mic was on mute. We're trying to contact your attorney. Okay? Yeah. Mr. Oliva, you can take your mic off of mute. Sanchez Oliva. Mr. Sanchez Oliva, please take your mic off of mute. Uh-oh. Right here. Okay. Yes, he's ready. Well, it must have told him his case was reset. Okay. Michael James Marshall. Cause numbers 24-CCCR 2797 and cause number 24-CCCR 2798. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Michael James Marshall. Mr. Marshall, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Marshall?
I'm doing well, thank you.
That's good, Mr. Marshall. You're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Dustin Galmore. Mr. Galmore, how are you doing?
Good, Judge, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Hey, Mr. Galmore, what's your announcement in Mr. Marshall's cases?
Well, Judge, in Mr. Marshall's cases, we are still waiting for blood discovery. This is one that the court ordered quite a while back.
This was in County Court 3.
And then it's transferred here?
Transferred here. I do know, when we have confirmed that the state has requested it from the lab. I do not believe that the lab has
sent it,
given it back to the state yet. This has been ongoing for quite a while. But obviously from the defense, we can't proceed without it.
Right.
I don't know if the court wants to keep it on an announcement docket or put it on a trial docket since it's been taking so long, but
we could put it on a pretrial conference docket.
good.
We can do that.
I mean, we have to have it.
Yeah, right. Let me do this. Marshall. That's in 97. Oh, there go Mr. Adams.
I'm here. Just
Yeah,
I'm
okay, Mr. Adams, just hold on a minute. We currently have somebody before the court.
oh, okay, no problem.
In San Francisco.
Okay. Okay, bond order. Let's see. Yeah, it was signed, and Judge Wood signed it back in that last year. Okay, so we're gonna reset this case. We're gonna put these cases, we're gonna put them on the pretrial conference docket. Give us a reset date.
April 27th.
Okay, April 27, 2026. Mr. Marshall, your cases will be reset to April 27th of 2026. You can get your resets. Once you get your resets, you're free to go. And you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's see. Reginald Linden, cause number 25-CCCR 2274. Mr. Linden, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Langston Adams, who is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Adams, how are you doing?
Judge, I'm doing well. I can't complain.
And Mr. Linden, how are you doing? You doing okay? Okay, Mr. Adams, what is your announcement in Mr. Linden's case?
Judge, I met with Mr. Linden at my office and we discussed the case. However, I know he had a prior attorney that was reassigned to me. And if the prosecutor there would just release me the discovery and the video, I can have him come back to my office and look at that. But I know
Okay.
he had a prior attorney before me.
Yeah, that's true.
So if they can just take off the old attorney and put me on,
Yeah, they already
and then I
took
can
it.
show them.
They already took him off.
Okay, that'll be perfect. So if I got access to the discovery panel, to the page now, I just get him back to my office again. But he's already been to my office once.
Okay. Give us a reset date. This case will be reset to April 27th, 2026. Give you opportunity to for your attorney to get the discovery in the video and for you to meet with your attorney to go over the video and the discovery. You can get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Adams, your reset
Thank
will
you,
be
Judge.
sent to you. You're free to go and you have a blessed day. Now, Mr. Leonard, stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. All right. Mr. Ms. Cano. Ms. Cano, you can take your mic off of mute. Rebecca Cano. Ms. Cano, you could take your mic off of mute.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes. Now, Ms. Cano, your attorney is Attorney Todd LeBlanc. He has not arrived. We think that he may be in another court in another county. So your case will be reset. Give us a reset date.
April 29.
This case will be reset to April 29, 2026. Okay? And
April.
it's at April 29, 2026 at 9 a.m. in County Court at Law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas.
1 second. Allow me 1 moment.
Okay, no problem.
When is it reset?
April 29th at 9 a.m. in County Court at Law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas.
I have a quick question. I was wondering if, because I think my fees for bail were 200.
Okay, what about, okay, what's your question?
I did serve time.
Okay, well, you need to be in court on that day, and you can tell that to your attorney, and he'll relay that information to the district attorney's office.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay,
All
thank
right.
you.
All
Thank
right. You're free to
Bye-bye.
go, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
And this will conclude the calling of the court's announcement docket, pretrial conference docket, and the trial docket on today's date, March 23rd, 2026, in County Court at Law number 2, Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding. Court will be in recess until 1:30. That time we'll pick a jury. Okay? Court will be in recess.